How to share your Hilton digital key with a guest. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Hilton's webpage or app. Make sure you're in this page. Then, click on your stays at the top right. After you click on your stays, make sure you're logged into your account. After you log into your account, you will find digital key in here. But before that, select your current stay. After you've selected your current stay, tap on digital key and press on tap share your key. Then choose the room you want to share. Then choose email as the send method. After you do that, enter the guest email. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to share your Hilton digital key with a guest. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.